Hey guys, this is my second part for the top 20 must-have apps for Galaxy Note, Note 2 and S3. So let's begin the countdown. So the first one in my list is the Envision. It's a news app for Android, particularly Android only. You get all the infos and news about apps, game reviews, new movies, gadgets and so on like that. You can just swipe to check out the headlines. And if you are interested in any one of it, you can simply tap onto it to read it. So that's all, that's pretty much it. It's pretty handy. The second one in my list is the Speed Boost. It optimizes your RAM and makes your Android faster, and it definitely works. So you can just open up this app and hit clean system and your work will be done. Okay, that's pretty much it. So that's the number 2. So the number 3 in my list is the Sketchbook Mobile. So the name itself defines the app. You can use this app for sketching and stuffs. You also get loads of options for brush, for professional painting and stuffs like that. For example, you can choose your brush sizes, brush styles, the effects. If you're sketching, you can use its stuffs. You get loads of options. You can just go ahead and check it out. Okay, say for example, I need this one. I can set the color as well. Okay, so I need the red one, red colored. Okay, so okay, here you have it. Now it's done. Just close it. You can draw. You can resize your brush. You can set the opacity level. You can just erase. You can use erasers. You can create professional stuff. You can also create, random lines. This is for the random line, for example, so you can use it. There you go. Okay, just resizing my brush. Sorry. Okay. There you have it. You can also create, squares. There you have it. You can create circles. So you can use this app simply for sketching. You can use it for creating anything. Any idea pops up in your mind, you can just unleash it with this app. So it's really helpful sometimes, and it's fun to use as well. So that's my number 3. So the number 4 in my list is the VidTrim video editor. It's actually a video editing app. Moreover, trimming any video. You can simply load this app and select the preferred video that you want to trim. You can trim any certain area that you love the most. Set it and just hit trim. So this will just help you trimming videos right from your phone. So that is really helpful. That's my number 4. The next one is the Gallery Lock. Very useful. You can also use this app for stealth mode. Just a second, I'll show you. Okay, so you can go on to settings, use stealth mode, so people won't find you are using any Gallery Lock app or something like that. You can hide it. You can change your password as well. Okay, it's 7777. Hit OK. Now you go back. Okay, now you can't find the Gallery Lock app on your app drawer. So now to open it, go to the dialer and hit your password 7777. That was mine, and hit call. So that will open up your app. So this is a really cool function. Now you can open up your pics and hit add photo from gallery and choose your pics that you don't want to share it in public or you don't want to display. So just for example, say I want to select this pic, so it's hidden now. You go on to gallery now, you won't find that pic. Yeah, it's hidden now. So again, to launch it, password and call. So there you go, you have it over here. So the main thing is you can use this app as in stealth mode. So that's why I wanted to inform you about this app. The next one in my list is the Dolphin browser. It's one of the fastest and the easiest browser for Android. You also get extra plugins and more stuffs like that in the Play Store. You can use this add button for bookmarking, and also any websites that you frequently use, you can add it over here. So it's easier to use. For example, by default you have this Google, Yahoo, Facebook, wallpapers and so on. So this browser is totally cool. So you can go ahead and try it out. The next one in my list is the Home Manager. So this app is really helpful. Say for example, if you are using multiple launchers, and right now you can see I have the Launcher 8 as well, but I'm using the TouchWiz Home, and even the Launcher 8 is consuming some memory. So this is to kill all the other launchers running in background. So this app is really helpful. If you use this app, you can set any launcher as your default launcher, and you can kill rest of the launchers that you are not using. Say for example, I'm using the TouchWiz Home right now. I want to switch to Launcher 8. Now I'm in the Launcher 8. Okay, so now I can go on to Home Manager, hit clear default home, select default. I can select the Windows 8, and now just a second. Okay, and now I can just kill it. So now the TouchWiz Home will not run in the background and will not consume my memory. The next app in my list is the Desk Notes, but it's an widget. So you can go on to widgets and you can simply place it. Okay, you can select the tile size, the grid size I mean. Okay, say for example I want the 2x2. Okay, there you have it, and you can select your font size and you can just type whatever you want. Say Jan 22nd party. Okay, so there you have it, pretty much like the sticky notes. So the next one in my list is the Gallery ICS. It's a gallery app. You can check all your photos and videos and stuffs like that from this app. It's really fast, really cool. It's one of the fastest gallery app for Android. So you can just go ahead and try it out. The next one is the Z-Archiver. You can unzip any zip files right from your phone with this app. You don't need to unzip it from your PC and then connect the cable and transfer that file onto your phone. You can simply download it on your phone, unzip it using this app, and use the file. The next one in my list is the KII keyboard. So now just to show you. So this is the KII keyboard, guys, and you can do lots of customizations. You can say for example you can choose input languages. You can change your keyboard layout. For example, if you want a 13 keyed split layout, you can just go ahead and check it out how it looks. Okay, you can see it. It's different now. You also can change the layout, whether you want the portrait mode or the landscape mode. You can select colored key blocks. Let's see how it looks. Okay, looks good. You also can change the text color, and you can choose between different fonts. You can customize this keyboard. It's highly customizable. You can set up your gesture settings as well. So you can go ahead and try it out. The next one in my list is the Pixlr Express. It's a photo editing app. So just to show you. Okay, so you have this lots of effects. You can first crop it, sharp, or you can do stuffs like contrast, adjusting blurriness or color splash. You can also choose among various effects. Say I want this vintage effect. Let's see how it looks. Okay, there you have it, and hit apply. You can also add borders to your pic, and you can give different effects, adjust brightness, sharpness, and so on like that. So it's really helpful. You can edit your pics with this app. The next one in my list is the Paper Camera. It's simply a fun app actually. It's really fun. Everything seems as if it's painted. Okay, there you have it. So that's pretty much it. You can also go on with different effects. Just a second. Okay, that's the sketchy style. So these are the different effects. So the next one in my list is the SMS backup and restore. You can simply backup and restore your SMS with this app. You can hit backup and you can choose your external SD for backing up your SMS. Because say for example, if you use custom ROMs and if you back up your SMS and call logs in the internal memory, while formatting or while flashing the ROM, you might lose it. Always do your backup on your external SD. The next one is the call log backup. It's similar and it's really helpful. The next one is the songs app. Say for example you need Bollywood songs, Hindi songs, or any, just a second, or maybe other ghazals and other stuffs like that, Hindi songs. You can use this app. And if it's English, you can just go on with this MP3 music download. So you can just give the name and you can just download it from here. So very, very handy. So the next one in my list is the ringtone maker. The app itself says what it does. It's for creating ringtone from any song. You can just snip a certain area, a certain part. Just a second, I'll show you. Okay. So you can just edit. So you can set the default timing. At what point do you want? Okay. The highlighted part means, this is the part that you want as your ringtone. So you can just set it up. Okay. So the selected part, once you have selected a certain area, you can just hit this save icon, and this will create a new tune. And you can just use it as your ringtone. The next one in my list is the Google Goggles. Once you have it, just do the basic setup. Search from camera over Wi-Fi only. Next. Okay. So once you have done the setup, how this app works is you can take a pic and it will automatically search for results for that pic. If it's a famous landmark or anything famous, you'll get the result. You can also use it for scanning barcodes, QR codes. So the last one in my list is the Wikipedia. It's the official Wikipedia app, and you know what Wikipedia does. You can search a lot of stuffs, whatever you need to know for anything, about anything. You can just type it and get the details. So it's really helpful. So that's all guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Stay subscribed. Bye bye now and have a good day.